interview ko lanay. Interview ko lanay. Interview ko lanay.
Mensahe lang, sir.
Yeah, okay. So, greetings lang for the 45th anniversary naman.
Kayo, kuya.
Eh, sabi mo pwede 8 o'clock eh.
Pagtagal ka talaga ngayon dito. Kompletong yun. Siya taon na yung hindi pa bayad na alis na agad.
Sir, ingat lang po namin.
Yeah.
Mensahe sa family anniversary.
To congratulate our kuya, especially our officer for coming up with it's successful naman and hopefully everybody gets together and show everybody that our organization, the Fraternity Order, will be as one.
Ano po pinakalayunin ng Agila po, sir?
Again, to be of help to our kuya and ate, and especially sa mga community natin. Basically, it's community service.
Gano'n po kalaki ang naitutulong po dito sa ating government?
Actually, malaki because supposedly our Eagles are law-abiding citizens and helping out with the government and syempre based on all community service, any tulong that you do to the community, it redounds to the government. Thank you very much.
Kuya.
Good evening.
Ano kayo? Kuya Jo. Kuya Jo. Sino pa? Sino pa? Kuya, kayo naman.
Kailangan dumating.
Sige pa. Kuya, si Kuya Toto.